Hey guys, this is me Nashka, and today I'm going to tell you some really cool apps and extensions which are for students, which are so helpful. I've been using them since so long and they're like the best. So let us begin. So guys, our first website is I Miss My Cafe or I Miss My Library. So what this does is that it literally just is you can like adjust the sound effects which will be there in that, and it'll give you the feel of a library and the sounds of a library. So the people who like to study at a library, it is really helpful for them because you can't always go there, so you can just listen to the sound and just get in the groove. So, guys, our next website is Notion or Taskade. So, as we all know, that Notion is an organizational website. It is really common. So, what we do in this is just basically we can organize like our entire lives on it. Just make sections in that. There's like a lot of options, and if you want a detailed explanation of how to use Notion, then I'll link it down below. And Taskit, on the other hand, is also the same thing. Yeah, it's really collaborative. And one more thing is that you can convert your lists and things into mind maps. So that is something I really like. So in case you're studying, you can do it on Taskit and actually create a mind map to help you out. Next is Viva Highlighter. So, not many people know about this. Viva Highlighter is just this website. Like, it's not a website exactly, it's like a feature which whenever you go into any website, you can use the Viva Highlighter and you can highlight anything in that website. And something which I really like about it is that whatever you highlight, it will be saved on their website, like on the page of Viva Highlighter, and you can actually access it later on and copy it from there. So that is really helpful. So you don't have to go back and forth all the time. Next up, we have Momentum, and this is the only extension I've been using since like what 4 years. It's just so cool, guys. It's just you open your new tab on Google or yeah, basically on Chrome, and it will show you a really nice picture every single day, a new picture, and it'll show you a new quote and a new mantra, and you can personalize it like, hello, good morning, Nishka. Like for me, it's like that. So let me show you. Identity, which is really like the coolest website ever. All your website links, everything, you can save it on that. You can type the password and you can make sections like for studying, you have these links. And if, for example, you have Drive, you can just type the password. So whenever you click on it, it'll directly sign in for you and you can go in. Obviously, this is an optional feature. If you do not want to share it, you can not share it. So that is something I really like. Hey guys, so that is it for today. I will be uploading this like a series. So I have a lot of websites, like around 30 websites. So every video I'll do like 10 or 15 websites. So like that, I'll cover most of them. So be alert for the next part, which will come on Tuesday. So don't forget to click the bell icon so that you don't miss that video, and subscribe and like this video. Thank you.